commutative property tells us that we can add or multiply in any order and our solution will be the same. Well, let's test that out with addition. If we add 8 plus 5, is that going to give us the same results as 5 plus 8? Well, to start with 8 plus 5, we're going to add 8 units to our frame, then we're going to add another 5 units. When we do that, that gives us a total of 13 units. Well, if we change the order, first we'll put our 5 units in frame, then we'll add the other 8. When we do that, that also gives us 13. So sure enough, 8 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 8. Let's test it out on a number line. Is negative 12 plus 6 going to be the same as 6 plus negative 12? Well, for negative 12 plus 6, we're going to start at 0 and go 12 places to the left. To that, we're going to add positive 6, which is going to send us back 6 places to the right to end at negative 6. For 6 plus negative 12, we're going to start at 0 and go 6 places to the right. To that, we're going to add negative 12, which is going to send us back 12 places to the left. That's also going to end at negative 6, giving us equivalent expressions. We can write a general rule for the commutative property of addition. Let A and B stand for any number. This tells us that the sum of A plus B is going to be equal to the sum of B plus A. Let's look at the commutative property in terms of multiplication. Working with money, let's think of it as we go into a store and buy 3 items worth $2.50 each. What is our total? Well, to find that, we're going to have to solve 3 times 250. So 3 items that cost $2.50 each is going to give us a total of $7.50. Well, what if we turn around that thinking and do $2.50 times 3 and pay for everything individually? Well, the first item is going to cost us $2.50. The second item is going to cost us $2.50. And our third item is going to cost us $2.50. So that also gives us a total of $7.50. Finally, let's test it out with the actual algorithm. When we multiply fractions, we multiply numerator times numerator. So 1 times 1 gives us 1, and denominator times denominator, so 5 times 3 gives us 15. Changing the order, our numerators still have 1 times 1, so that's still 1. Our denominator is now 3 times 5, which still equals 15, so we still come out with the same product. We can write a general rule for the commutative property of multiplication. Let A and B stand for any number. This tells us that the product of A times B is going to be equal to the product of B times A. Check out the other videos in our playlist and don't forget to click on subscribe. Thanks for watching!